Tuna with Travel Tuna, and I am so excited. We are on Icon of the Seas, and well, we got it for free too, but that's not why I'm excited. This is an amazing ship, so we are in 12305, and we want to definitely get you a tour of it. Let's get going. Okay, to start off, you would have your key card here. This is also where you can put your mail and your coffee cards. And we are in 12305 of Icon of the Seas. Our luggage is not here yet, but you would tap your card there and then go ahead and enter. This room is completely different for us. As you can see, we've decided to do this room to try it out. It's also kind of like a hotel. You can see rooms across, and I'll show you when we get out to the balcony, I'll show you where we're at. Also, stick to the end so you can get those pros, cons of this room. So far, it has been amazing. We are on Icon of the Seas. You can see in a room here. This was built in 2024 and houses 7,600 guests. It's amazing. This thing is so huge. And we're definitely gonna show all of it to you. But wanna give you just a quick update. As you can see, I have hair. I've also had my double mastectomy and my big boobies are gone. I've got nice little small boobies. There we go. Very happy. I am still going though. I ended up with having to do radiation, and now I am going to start a chemo pill called Xeloda on Monday. We get some more side effects. As you can see, I'm wearing glasses because the chemo adjusted my eyes and I am now nearsighted. I found out that is a common thing that happens to people, which is amazing. This journey has been crazy. It isn't ending until next year, April 2026, because I also have to do immunotherapy. Yep, if you want to hear more about that, you can see our other videos, and let's get back to the room. Okay, you know, I like to do bathroom first. Here it is right here. What is amazing about this ship so far is their use of space. This shower has a seat in it. Isn't that great? Very happy about that. On Royal Caribbean, you do only get a hair and body wash combo. You've got some shelves over there. Normal toilet, only toilet paper and what comes out of you. That's it. There you've got some shelves there. They've put the plug in a nice little spot there. I believe that's probably only for razors. I don't know about things. There's a little hangy thing here. I don't know what that's for your towel. There's some more shelves down there, and there's a little hidey hole drawer here, which is interesting. Lots of hidey holes. There's some hooks. The lights and thermostat are pretty amazing. You can have morning lights, that's what we're on now. Evening lights, and they go dim. Room steward said if you choose movie or sleep, then the air goes off, which I don't understand that. But he said just use morning and evening. If that's right or not of what he told us or not. These light switches were very interesting to figure out. This is the on and off switch for the bathroom. And as you can see, there is a night light, which is awesome. That is gonna be great. We do bring our own night light just in case. This is the on and off switch for here. And I have no idea what that switch is. No idea. Been trying to figure it out. The other thing is we did not know where the safe was. And so here's your mirror, and it's a hidey hole. So there you have got your probably internet router. There's the safe and some more shelves. They have used every inch of things here. It's very tight. Here is a closet with some more hooks. That's nice. Another closet, laundry service. There are baskets down here, which are interesting. That's good. Both sides of the bed have USB ports. I don't have to go looking under the bed. Let's see what's under the bed just in case. That looks like it's good for suitcases. So this side has a plug and a USB port. And this is, I'm sure, to shut off all the lights. Looks like it's gonna be cozy. We got our rounded edges to save space. There are some more shelves here and another USB port. You could probably charge your phone there. They did give us some complimentary water because I just turned diamond. Woo, 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 woo. We've actually been on over 60 cruises, but we've done them on different cruise lines, which we do like to explore. We've done them on different cruise lines, but we just made Diamond on Royal, which is awesome. So we're gonna have the perks. Okay, I've turned all the lights off. I think we need lights. Whoops, now I've really turned all the lights off. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as I was saying, over here, you've got more USB ports. There are USB ports everywhere. USB ports there, a European plug, another plug that I think could be European, I'm not sure. These will control the lights there. There are a lot of light switches in here for you to figure out. There's another lamp there, lots of light. We've got some things here. This is a casino perk. This cruise this time was because you get one yearly cruise as Prime, and we were able to do this one. Didn't even cost an upgrade. I guess people didn't want this room or something. I'm not sure. It's all good. Okay, and then this is our Diamond pin. Welcome to Diamond. I've got a fun little card there with some things. This is our iconic status. So these are some status perks. We are gonna go to that backstage tour, which is awesome. We do have access to the Crown Lounge, so we're gonna be checking that out. We get 4 drinks a day each, being in Diamond status. And this is the show program. I did book the shows prior to us getting on here, and these are some different things you can get out with the wrinkles if you need a pressing service. In this drawer here, we do have, now they've put a mini bar on your stateroom door, so you can do that. And then of course, this is my wonderful favorite coffee menu. They go until 11, which is so awesome. Okay, so on the left side, all of that is included. On the right side, you would need to pay for those. And then I do tip them when they come. And then if you order room service, there is a charge for room service. And then this is a nice little book, picture book, if you wanted to go through that from the art place. There are some more drawers here. We did go through and bleach everything since I am still gonna be immunocompromised. And this is the refrigerator. And we've got the hair dryer and the Kleenex. Okay, this is a light for outside. That is the light there. And he said that the air conditioner is going to stop if you do not have this locked. So now you can see where we're at. These chairs are awesome. They do lean back and they have footstools. That is good, and a little table. We are on Surfside. Wow. We are gonna see how that is. What's that? All right. Got the water slides up there. So you can see all this. So it's gonna be interesting morning coffee. A little different. I'm hoping I don't get wet. Oh, there's the water slide that they had issues with, that they have now roped off and that they have now covered. Let's hope we don't have any issues. No glass breaking, no water slides. There is Central Park over there. So that's it. Let's go ahead and go back in for one last look, and then we'll go to pros, cons. I wanted to tell you about this new connecting cabin thing that they have. There are 2 doors here, and they will shut that they connect on this side rather than inside the room, and that actually decreases sound. Pros, cons, go.
The room is smaller. It turns out I'm going to make this a pro, even though it is slightly smaller. We have a interior balcony. Now,
we do.
Get this. Now, I say it's smaller, but we have a balcony, and it overlooks another balcony. And that's the unique thing about this ship and the way it's designed, in that you can still have, I was trying to explain this to Mom and Dad about how, yeah, we have a balcony, but we're not looking at the ocean. We're at a balcony across the way. And I liked having a balcony, even though
it was nice. nice.
we were looking at another balcony that was maybe 30, 50 feet away kind of thing.
The thing, it reminds me of the hotels back in the day or whatever, when you would have the balcony rooms kind of outside and you'd be looking at another balcony.
Yeah.
I wanted to try this room. First off, this was a casino comp and this was not an upgrade. They actually gave us this room without an upgrade. And on casino comps, we do pay the taxes and port fees, but we don't pay the room fee. And we wanted to try it to see what it was. It has not been bad.
Yeah,
It's been great.
Yeah.
You do have a little background noise, and a con would be the xylophone at night. Sometimes.
Seeing the surf side.
The kids area.
The carnival area.
Yes,
Yeah.
boardwalk on some of the other ships, but there is a xylophone like right underneath of us, and sometimes in the evening, the kids really get to going on the xylophone.
I don't hear it. Because
and that's the
this
other
glass is like so thick.
Oh, yeah. That's the other thing, too. When the door is closed, I'm talking when you're sitting on the balcony, you hear it.
Okay, got it.
But when the door is closed, you hear nothing.
Right.
I mean, the sound has been amazing.
Yeah, no sound.
You don't hear anything.
Even though there's
at
a
all.
carnival right outside your door. And now we're on the 12th floor.
Yes.
There's a total party, kids party going on downstairs.
Yes.
And so, which is awesome. We love it.
Yeah,
So,
the merry-go-round, everything. It's the normal boardwalk,
Yeah.
hot dogs, all that other type of stuff. They actually have the kids area down here.
Yeah.
So,
And so, as I mentioned, the room is a little bit smaller. I want to say, where it's smaller is kind of the length, because the bathroom is smaller. And so the shower is bigger. It's a glass shower, glass enclosed. And when I say bigger, it's longer, not wider.
It's one of my pros.
Yeah. And
Yes,
so,
there's actually a bench in the shower. So I
is a
can
bench.
prop my leg up there.
I like that.
Or I can sit down to get the loofah sponge on my feet.
And semi-con, you lose sink space as a result of it being a smaller bathroom.
Bigger shower.
Bigger shower, but you lose a little sink space. And if you're the type of person that likes to have their stuff spread out as they're working on their craft, you do have less counter space to work with. But yeah, it's a great job kind of working through. It even has doesn't have one of those hangers.
A clothesline.
But in exchange, it has a great little towel rack.
Inside the shower, yes.
So it works really well.
We hung stuff from there. We're actually doing, in a sense, a back-to-back, but we're side by side across the state. We're getting off of this cruise ship and we're heading on the Carnival Mardi Gras to do a transatlantic. And it's going into dry dock for 20 days. So we're going to tootle around Spain and then we're going to bring it back. So we're going to be on the water for quite a while. So we have to do some laundry. And a Diamond, the perks are 4 drinks a day are kind of nice. We do non-alcoholic drinks mostly, but they don't give you free laundry. Where other cruise lines give you free laundry.
It's discounted.
Yes.
And it depends on your tier, of
course. But we're cheap.
But so it was, I think it's like you save $10 off a bag, and I think the bag is either $24 or $29.95.
Yes, so it'd be $20. Yeah. The thing is, at least my opinion, I would rather do it when we get to the next ship so that it's not all wrinkled and everything. That was my opinion.
Right.
We washed sundries.
Think back to this room. It has good smaller space for your clothing. We're here for a week. The shelves are a little bit narrower.
That was my con, is the bathroom shelves were tiny.
Oh, I'm talking about the interior cabin shelves for storage, things like that were tiny, were smaller.
Gotcha.
But again,
see, I thought that was a pro. The storage in here I thought was amazing. They have like hidey holes. Behind the mirror is all shelves, and that's where your safe is. And you gotta kind of search for things, but there's quite a lot of storage, and you still have it under the bed and shelves all over the place. So I thought the storage was good.
It still works.
Do you have a con?
Well, again, the shelves. You called it, you'd think it's spacious. Went down to like a 6-inch shelf, and we had to negotiate, okay, I'm going to take these shelves. And you can take these. And of course, I don't have any negotiating position in here. Okay, where would you like me to be? Got it. I'll be there. But I mean, you're not living here permanently. No. So you don't need all the space. And it's just the 2 of us. Like, if there was 3 people or 4 people in this room, oh my gosh, yeah, they would be very tight. Yeah, just a consideration. I see you as totally get why you'd say it's a pro. But for me, when you're swimming in space, we could be side by side, our clothes next to each other. Here we were negotiating.
Right. Understand. Any other cons?
I would like it to be cooler.
Right. That
It's
is
a little warm in the room.
We like it cool when we sleep.
It's very comfortable. It's just that we like it a little bit icier in the room. That would be my only other con.
Right.
How about you?
That was it on my cons. I liked the room a lot. Do you want to end with some pros?
Because it's a newer ship, it was built last in 2023. It has
2024 actually.
2024?
Last year.
So it has all the you weren't negotiating pole position for our USBs.
They even have
both sides of
USB-Cs,
yeah.
all of that.
On both sides of our bed, so she could have her fan blowing on her, and I didn't even need to use mine. I mean, it just worked out well. Now, granted, the side bed tables were very narrow and small.
Right.
But again, very minor.
Gotcha.
It was really a great.
To end on a good note, I loved our cabin steward, Oakley. He has been
was
awesome.
great.
I know I'm a kid at heart and those things. I love the towel animals. I think they're great. And they always seem to be watching TV when we get back. That
The
was
TV
cute.
wasn't on, but the remote was in Kermit's hand.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, I think
Exactly.
you really enjoy this room. It's a great experience, and I have not been disappointed in this interior.
Yes, so
Stateroom.
definitely give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our shenanigans, and make sure to travel tuna.